Idziemy w to razem.
The problems, the repairs to do in the engine. For instance, this is the carter of the oil. They know everything, every little piece of the engine, from the 0 to the 100, for instance. They disassemble every engine piece by piece. They learn everything about the engine, how to mount it.
As bonitas vistas, as magníficas praias.
Okay, the wonderful views, the wonderful beaches that we have.
Queria dizer-vos que consideramos a formação contínua dos professores.
Okay, we think that the teachers' training, the continuous.
Yes, we want to speak about the invisible heritage of migrants and the sharing heritage, ours and theirs.
Because you know,
you understand?
because for example in France, but in Paris, because we don't know whole France. For example, always you understand, you hear, the migrants doesn't want to cooperate France. They don't want to be like us. But people who speak about immigrants don't know these migrants. So, can we evaluate what migrants bring to us in France? Bring to us because I am French. I'm French. Yes?
And they ignore their cultural heritage.
Yes.
About language, about culture also. For French, migrants are in France just for work, but they are human beings.
O povo é que mais ordena dentro de pior cidade.
Millions of people around the world recognize this song, Grândola, the anthem of the Portuguese Revolution. What few people know is that Grândola is a tribute to Cante, one of the most important musical traditions of Portugal.
Ona nie jest taka w ciemię nie pita, ale...
Museum, a wine bar. This is the pieces of the boat, because this boat usually do the distance from Lisbon to Seychelles, and then before it transported people. Now it's just for eating and chilling. Okay, the photos are from a trip they made in the fishing of codfish, bacalhau, because the principal dish in this boat is bacalhau from Norway.
No se corta. Barro, isto é barro, é barro 60%
60% is barro,
é argila, cerca de 30% é chamote, chamote é outros barros moídos para lhe dar dureza.
some special barro became more stronger.
E depois 10% é água, que é para lhe dar elasticidade.
That's Portuguese crayons and crayon production. You can use other colors as well, red,
Or something about heritage.
Language is very poor.
I think it's okay.
No, it's not okay.
No.
João. João Teodoro.
And you live in Lisboa?
Yeah, I live near the neighborhood of Graça. It's an important and a big neighborhood in Lisbon. Yeah.
What is your work? What do you do?
I work in a tuk-tuk. I drive a tuk-tuk.
What is a tuk-tuk?
It's more or less a motor with seats.
I would suggest that we try the microphone.
We have something to drink.
And next we will be fucked.
Solta o cabelo, Celso. Não, depois peruca. Ui! Ui! Guiné, boa, Celso, peruca rosa.
Let's make a nice roof garden. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. You're gonna have a drunk film, which is okay if you're gonna have a drunk movie.
Boy, I'm on that
you're going to have a drunk film, which is okay if you're going to have a drunk movie, pirate movie. But if you're looking for those shots, it's your body, your leg, tight in. And you can do two options. One, you can put your hand under your elbow. Or the second one, if you've got a bigger camera, I use the second hand as the support. So I have the camera supported like this. And what I've got the option now, if I want to go left, if I want to go right, I can swivel. If I'm like this, I'm a bad dancer. You see? So your body becomes a physicality. Sorry, your body becomes a tripod. Maybe if you can't find the thing, maybe if there's right angle, you can use a ball.
This is a farmhouse. They sell cereal, olive and wine. Don't make the wine, just sell it, okay? Now we produce and sell the wine.
Okay, but it's good.
It's good. It's okay. This is made with two type of grapes, Castelão and Aragonês. These two wines are made with one grape, Castelão, and have wood. This is a young wine, don't have wood. Okay? These three wines have wood. 6 months and 1 year. It's more like, okay?
Okay, but it's good.
It's good. This is a red wine made just one grape, Castelão. It's our regional grape from here. It's a certificated wine, so it's mandatory have this grape, Castelão. Okay? This wine, they have wood.
Okay, but it's good.
It's good. It's
Good au revoir. Oui, oui, oui. Good au revoir. Non, non, non. Good au revoir. S'il est bon et bon. S'il est bon, s'il est agréable, j'en boirai jusqu'à mon plaisir. S'il est bon, s'il est agréable. Je meurs, je veux commentaire dans une cave où il y a du bon vin. Si je meurs, je veux commentaire dans une cave où il y a du bon vin. Dans une cave, oui, oui, oui. Dans une cave, non, non, non. Dans une cave où il y a du bon vin.
Sempre chama de nariz, por rasgão botas a rir bengalão e ar descarado, a vadiar com outros mais e a dançar para os arraiais. Para namorar, beber, folgar, cantar o fado. Recordo agora com saudade os calhamaços que eu lia, os professores, a faculdade e a mesa de anatomia. Invoco a mim recordações que não têm fim dessas lições frente ao jardim do velho campo de Santana. Aulas que eu dava e se eu estudasse ainda estava nesta classe. Aquilo faltava 7 dias por semana.
Perdi tudo a minha mão, do meu desejo profundo, desta ausência em que vivi. Revi-te na solidão, deste luar ao meu mundo, renasceu-me a alma inteira. Revi-te na solidão, deste luar ao meu mundo, renasceu-me a alma inteira. No teu olhar procurei toda a razão do meu ser, toda esta ânsia incontida. Nos teus braços encontrei fiz-me ser a mulher louca e perdida. Nos teus braços encontrei, no teu beijo fiz-me ser a mulher louca e perdida. Meu amor, minha paixão, mesmo de ti tão distante, nem te podendo tocar. Teu meu coração neste bater ofegante nas amarras de te amar. Teu meu coração neste bater ofegante nas amarras de te amar. Quero ser somente tua, o teu fogo, o teu caminho, a tua estrada de vida. Não quero mais esta rua, quero o colmo do teu ninho, quero ser a tua vida. Não quero mais esta rua, quero o colmo do teu ninho, quero ser a tua vida. Cheira bem, cheira a Lisboa, uma rosa a florir na mata. Cheira bem, cheira a Lisboa, a verdade que serve na proa.